This video is especially for sweet tooth. Today we are here in the north of Bangkok in Lat Phrao, and behind me is a place where they sell Michelin awarded Thai dessert for only 25 cents. Let's go.
So they sell kanom guang huang noi. That is this for 10 baht. They have two fillings. You can choose for a sweet filling. I think this is with coconut. And this is a salty filling. Well, I guess, I don't know what that is, but I think we should try both.
Hi, can we order?
Have sweet 10 baht, salty 10 baht.
Okay, sure. And only have two, right?
Yes.
So each is actually just 10 baht. So same feeling, it's just the different taste, sweet and salty.
So what is this made from?
Power sugar make
Okay.
cookie
Flour.
and Milo ที่อะไรนะ cocoa
Cocoa. Yeah.
mix
And how long is this shop here?
กี่ปีหมด25 years.
Wow.
So she put everything in one, so you don't know which one you're getting.
So I think it's a really small crepe. They said like it's rice flour, and then with the coconut inside.
Try. Yep.
I actually thought this is a really simple dish, but I like it.
The nice thing here in Bangkok is like you can get Michelin star awarded food like easily, like super cheap. It's only 10 baht.
I can't imagine that you can buy Michelin awarded food for just 25 cents.
That was delicious. Aloy makmak. Anyway, I love it so much. The salty one, it was interesting. I even don't know what's inside. Was it vegetable? Was it meat? I'm not sure. But the sweet one, it's actually the egg yolk, something like that. Anyway, it was really good, super affordable, and we might need to buy another one because it's empty. Okay. We're gonna bring for home, by the way.